Hi, my name is Tom Strickler, and I'd like to welcome you to the My Misdemeanor Lawyer website. There were two main reasons why I decided to create this site. The first was to help people get a better understanding of the system and how it works. And the second was to help people maneuver through the system as quickly and as painlessly as possible. With respect to getting a better understanding of the system, I'd like to take a moment and tell you just a short story. Years and years ago, when I was finishing my undergraduate degree back in New York State, I went out with a friend for a drink one night, and when we left, I stepped into an alley to relieve myself of some of the alcohol. And to make a long story short, somehow or another I got arrested and charged with attempted burglary. I had to get family to post a bond after my night in jail. But most importantly, I remember to this day standing in a courtroom in front of a judge and thinking to myself, I'm not stupid. I've got almost 4 years of college, I've been in the Navy, I've traveled quite a bit, but for the life of me, I don't understand anything that's being said. I don't know what's going on around me, and it doesn't seem that anybody's trying to help me answer any of my questions. So that experience is reflected, at least in part, in My Misdemeanor Lawyer. A lot of the questions that I had at that time, a lot of the confusion, I've tried to address those to help you at this point. As far as helping people maneuver through this system, My Misdemeanor Lawyer has tried to streamline the process for you. And we've done this by addressing 4 particular areas. The first we've already talked about at least a little bit, and that is that you can take your own time at home or wherever and navigate through My Misdemeanor Lawyer's website to begin to understand the process, and by getting answers to questions that might otherwise just take a long time to get addressed. Secondly, at the point of hire, you can go right now. You can go up to the toolbar and click on Hire Us, and you'll find that you can do everything online. As I always say to people, you don't have to get out of your lazy boy, you don't have to get up off of your bar stool. And you'll find when you go to the Hire Us, there's a place there, it's optional, where you can provide me with some biographical information that may be of use when I go to talk with the prosecutor. You also can provide a brief explanation of what happened. The site is also, by doing that, endeavored to streamline it so that whenever we can, we'll find out even before your first court date where you stand. We've talked with the prosecutor and hopefully be able to convey that information to you so that when you go to court, in many cases, it'll be possible just to simply close your case on that date. And along with that, the fourth area, by streamlining all of those things, we're hoping that when we go to court, you won't find yourself sitting there for hours and hours worrying about your babysitter for your kids or your boss at work wondering where you're at, to try to get you in and out, as I say, as quickly as we can.